open and they've fired away to a nice level beginning. Luck Capitaine on the far side is up looking for the early lead. Das Best is right there along the inside. Racing just in behind them on the far side is Current Event, who's also pushing forward. These are all racing abreast, and King of the Deep is also right there in the thick of things. Equatoria settles just off that leading group. He's being followed then by Emblem Honor, and Juddering Angel is switched off at the back of the field and about 7 lengths first to last. Current Event now pushes forward midway down the back straight. They go past the 1500. Goes up now to lead it by a length and a half to King of the Deep settling back in second. They followed then by La Capitaine, who's on the outside in third, and Das Best is back at the rail racing in fourth. Equatoria just in behind these. Emblem Honor races next, 6 lengths off the lead, and 2 away to Juddering Angel. The race on down towards the 1100 metre mark, and Current Event shows the way. He has the lead by 2. King of the Deep racing second. 2 back then to La Capitaine, who races in third, and Das Best is just along his inside. Equatoria races in behind those, and he's 5 lengths off the lead. Now they're becoming more compact. Emblem Honor is a half back along the inside of that one, and Juddering Angel is still the trailer, and 8 lengths would cover them. 800 metres left to go. They midway round the turn, no change in the order. Current Event still shows the way to King of the Deep. Up on the outside, La Capitaine is racing back in third. Das Best fourth. Equatoria behind these, then Emblem Honor and Juddering Angel. Homeward bound now off that false rail, 600 metres left to go. Current Event brought the field for home. King of the Deep, the first one to move in and challenge. La Capitaine is wider out in the track and now comes forward too. Das Best is just in behind these. Emblem Honor's got running in him. He's looking for a way through down towards the inside. Equatoria's towards their outside as they come down to the final 350. Down towards the inside, Emblem Honor's now found that gap he was looking for, and he sprints forward to join issue with Das Best towards the outside. Das Best and Emblem Honor over towards the inside. La Capitaine. Equatoria's coming back. It's Das Best just in front. Equatoria lunging like Das Best.